Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. In our home, we diffuse a lot of essential oils, especially in the spring seasons and fall because of the scents, but also because of allergies. And so I really love this diffuser that I got from Porseme. For one thing, I love that it's a bigger size than normal, so I don't feel like it's going to run out of water as quickly, but also as soon as it does run out, it automatically shuts off, which is a really cool feature. It's a 500 milliliter, which is over 2 cups of water. So it definitely will last 1 or 2 days if you're diffusing your oils. So here it is up close, and just to show you the lid, it's a see-through. It is glass, so you do have to take care with it, but just really pretty design. It's very relaxing when it's going. Taking the top off, you can see the water is in here and the machine runs really well. All you have to do is just add your water, drop in a few drops of whatever oil you're gonna do that day, and I already have it plugged in for you. And we just press the on button and it starts to diffuse automatically. So to add the lighting, you just press this button right here. It has 3 buttons, and you can just see the light that gives off is really pretty. Just goes really nicely with diffusing. And this button right here just puts it so that it will do like a start-stop function, which is really nice as well. So it's really nice to have something that is in the home that not only is good for our health and mental well-being, but also that is just really pretty and attractive. So happy I was able to find this one from Porseme, and that's my point of view.